Hey everyone, alright, so in my last video I let everybody know that I was back and that we would be starting a CR500 project. And at the same time I let everybody know that I was going to be getting another bike. Now I threw up a photo in my community feed of the back end of this bike and let everybody guess as to what it was, and now you're going to get that opportunity to see it. Alright everyone, there it is. So it should be a little bit easier to guess what it is now by the size of a few of the parts on this bike. This is a 1987 CR500. And this will be another project that I will be completely restoring. I'm so happy that I was able to get a hold of this bike. This bike was actually rescued by a friend of mine, and he had planned to restore it, but much like me, he has way too many projects and did not have time. And he knows that I will do the bike justice. He owns my 1985 CR500 that I built, and he knows that this one here is going to get well looked after and taken care of. There is a lot of good parts on this bike. Look at that FMF silencer. That thing is in mint condition. Even the plastic is all in pretty good shape. Some of it I'll be able to restore. Definitely the rad shrouds. Tank's good. Front fender's good for restoration. Number plate's going to have to be replaced. Hopefully I can find one. That is the original from what I can tell, though. Gonna have to get a hold of some handlebars. I may be able to... No, it looks like the fork boots are a little bit torn, so that's not gonna work. Got the wrong front wheel on there. Have to change out the front wheel. I'm gonna try and find the original 87 rims for this bike. It does have the back one, but not the front. But the motor and everything on it is in excellent shape. The chain hasn't come off and busted anything in the case. The shock guard is still there and in excellent condition. Swing arm's going to have to be replaced. Somebody drilled 3 holes in the other side for a kickstand, I guess. The FMF pipe, I don't think I'm going to keep it on this bike, but we'll see. I'm going to try and get an OEM one if I can. If not, then I'm going to have to try and get all those dents out. But this is a very good bike to build on. And it will be an absolute animal. Alright, so there you have it. 1987 CR500. Another 500 gets rescued. Alright, so that CR500, I'm not sure if it's going to be a full-blown project that's going to be done during an entire year as the main project, or if it's just going to be a sub-project where I've got the bike going at the same time as I've got something else going, because the plan is to do the 89 CR500, and if you came out just to watch this video, please come and watch the next one, which is the actual teardown of this year's 1989 CR500 project. This 87 will more than likely be done during the same time that I do the 2 CR250s as just a side project. Alright, so that's going to be the end of this video. I can't wait to get started on that 89 CR500. Thank you for coming out and watching. Please subscribe, leave some comments, and I'll catch you all next video.